Well, hello. This is Teresa. How is everyone doing? Hope all is well. I am just getting home from work and I wanted to go ahead and upload a video that I started last night. And what I have decided to do was to get a little section and make it my vanity. The thing is, I'm making that section in the living room on the dining room table. One, I don't use the table really to eat on myself. I eat on the couch. And two, I live here alone and it's not going to hurt anybody to have a vanity right in the middle of the living room. So I really feel more comfortable putting on my makeup sitting down in the living room. And I notice that whenever I'm putting my makeup on in the morning or anytime I'm putting it on, I will stand in the bathroom and do it. And I've made a vanity or a beauty area in the bedroom twice, and I've never gone in there to do any type of beauty treatments. So I'm going to leave the bathroom to beauty treatments, and then I want to use makeshift vanity for putting on my makeup. So this is the steps that I took towards pulling together a little section of the table and making it a beautiful vanity for myself. I will probably do a completed look combined with the video shopping my makeup stash. Traditionally, the table should just be for the eating or whatever, but there's nothing traditional about the way I live. I'm here alone. I can do things untraditionally and how I feel like it, or even what works for me. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. All right, quit playing. This is where I left off, trying to gather up stuff, but it gets intense and overwhelming. And trying to decide which job each one of these containers are going to hold. My new calendar for $1. This is pink old wrapping paper. left off, trying to gather up stuff, but it gets intense and overwhelming, and trying to decide which job each one of these containers are going to hold, and running into makeup that I forgot I had, and then figuring out how to incorporate that in, and found a bunch of makeup that's old. But I think that I'm going to bed because it is 9:03, and I don't know what possessed me to come home from work, eat, watch a movie, and then start in on this project. And I mean, I had to cook before I ate. I didn't just like have something there waiting for me. So I will come back in another day and videotape the progress, and then keep going until I complete the video.